Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Can you cook dinner?
Yes, I can cook dinner for my family.
Can you speak English?
Yeah, I can speak English a little.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I can open the window.
Can you carry this bag?
Yes, I can carry this bag.
Can you call me later?
Yes, I can call you later.
Can you wait for me?
Yes, I can wait for you.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can play football.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Will you help me with my homework?
Yes, I will help you with your homework.
Will you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I will visit my grandparents this weekend.
Will you call me tonight?
Yes, I will call you tonight.
Will you join us for lunch?
Yes, I will join you for lunch.
Will you clean your room?
Yes, I will clean my room today.
Will you be at home this evening?
Yes, I will be at home this evening.
Will you buy some milk?
Yes, I will buy some milk.
Will you study today?
Yes, I will study today.
Will you wait outside?
Yes, I will wait outside.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I drink tea every day.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you live in a city?
Yes, I live in a city.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work every weekday.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books in my free time.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV at night.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music.
Do you use a computer every day?
Yes, I use a computer every day.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee.
Would you like to sit here?
Yes, I would like to sit here.
Would you help me?
Yes, I would be happy to help you.
Would you like to come with us?
Yes, I would like to come with you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, I would like a glass of water.
Would you open the door?
Yes, I would open the door for you.
Would you like to watch a movie?
Yes, I would like to watch a movie.
Would you like some cake?
Yes, I would like a piece of cake.
Would you like to travel abroad?
Yes, I would like to travel abroad someday.
Would you join our team?
Yes, I would like to join your team.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I ate breakfast this morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well last night.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework yesterday.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my friend yesterday.
Did you go to school today?
Yes, I went to school today.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, I enjoyed the party very much.
Did you watch the game?
Yes, I watched the game on TV.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned my room this morning.
Did you meet your teacher?
Yes, I met my teacher yesterday.
Did you buy anything today?
Yes, I bought some groceries today.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am busy right now.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready to go.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry now.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I am feeling much better today.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home now.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English every day.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free this weekend.
Are you interested in sports?
Yes, I am interested in sports.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I am excited about the trip.
Have you finished your work?
Yes, I have finished my work.
Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have eaten lunch.
Have you seen this movie?
Yes, I have seen this movie before.
Have you visited Lahore?
Yes, I have visited Lahore twice.
Have you read this book?
Yes, I have read this book.
Have you called your parents today?
Yes, I have called my parents today.
Have you ever traveled by train?
Yes, I have traveled by train many times.
Have you completed the project?
Yes, I have completed the project.
Have you met your new neighbor?
Yes, I have met my new neighbor.
Have you cleaned the kitchen?
Yes, I have cleaned the kitchen.
Could you help me carry this box?
Yes, I could help you carry this box.
Could you open the window?
Yes, I could open the window.
Could you repeat the question?
Yes, I could repeat the question.
Could you speak more slowly?
Yes, I could speak more slowly.
Could you wait for me?
Yes, I could wait for you.
May I come in?
Yes, you may come in.
May I sit here?
Yes, you may sit here.
May I use your phone?
Yes, you may use my phone.
Shall we go to the park?
Yes, we shall go to the park.
Should I call you later?
Yes, you should call me later.